Hello dear friends. In this video I would like to discuss concept of molarity. When a homogeneous mixture of two or more components is called solution and the concentration of solution is expressed in various terms such as molarity, molality, normality, mole fraction, weight fraction, etc. In this video, I would like to discuss concept of molarity with numerical example. First, I would like to discuss what is meant by molarity. It is defined as the number of moles of solute present in 1 dm cube volume of solution. That means it represents number of moles of solute present in given volume of solution. So, if there present 1 mole of solute in 1 dm cube, then solution is called 1 molar solution. So, how one can obtain the molarity of solution? So, molarity is equal to number of moles of the solute divided by volume of solution in dm cube. That means number of moles of solute divided by volume of the solution in dm cube. By using this formula, we can obtain molarity of given solution. That means concentration of solution in terms of molarity. So, molarity is expressed in mole per dm cube. Molarity is expressed in mole per dm cube. Now we can see how one can obtain the number of moles of solute present in given solution. If we know the mass of solute dissolved in the solution, then from the mass of solute in gram, we can obtain the number of moles of that solute in the solution. So number of moles is equal to mass of solute in gram divided by molar mass of solute in gram per mole. By using these two quantity, one can obtain the number of moles of the given solute in the solution. Now let's see one example. A solution of NaOH, that is having molar mass 40 gram per mole was prepared by dissolving 2.8 gram of NaOH in 500 cm cube of water. Calculate molarity of NaOH solution formula. That means when we dissolve 2.8 gram of NaOH in 500 cm cube of water, whatever the molarity of solution can be obtained as follows. Solution. We know the quantities, that is mass of solute is given. What is the mass of solute? It is 2.8 gram. Volume of solution formed, it is 500 cm cube, and which is equal to 0.5 dm cube, means decimeter cube. Then molar mass of NaOH, it is also given. Molar mass of NaOH is 40 gram per mole, and we have to find out the quantity, that is molarity m of the solution. Now number of moles, first we calculate. Now first we calculate number of moles, that is by dissolving given volume of NaOH, whatever the number of moles of NaOH in the solution is obtained by using this formula. So number of moles is equal to mass of solute, that means NaOH is 2.8 gram and molar mass of NaOH is 40 gram per mole. So number of moles of NaOH in the given solution is 0.07 mole. Again, by using the formula for molarity, we can calculate the molarity of NaOH solution. So molarity is equal to number of moles of the solute divided by volume of the solution in dm cube. By substituting the values of number of moles, that is number of moles of NaOH is 0.07 mole and volume of solution is 0.5 dm cube. By solving this, we get molarity of NaOH solution is 0.14 mole per dm cube. So in this way, one can obtain the molarity of solution if we know the volume of solution formed and amount of the solute dissolved in the solution. Okay, thank you.